Excuse me, man. Where are you from, man? Where are you from?
China.
China?
Oh, yeah.
So what are you doing now?
Huh?
What are you doing now?
前面 OK
You're doing live?
Sim
Are you
In-
from media?
In which platform? Facebook, Twitter, TikTok?
No China
Are you from media?
Yeah
From which media?
Yeah
From which media?
English no
You don't know English?
No
Wait, I'm asking you your question. No, I'm asking you a question. No, bro.
I don't know English
No, man. What's your name? What's your name? What's your name? I'm asking you a question. What's your name?
No
What's your name, bro? No, what's your name?
You bet what?
What's your name?
No
What's your name?
No
What's your name?
No
Your name is No?
My name no
Your name is No.
My name no
So you know Nepal law can't allow you to in this kind of protest.
你看他跟着我了
You don't know about Nepal law.
No
Nepalese law can't allow you
No
to participate on this kind of protest. Okay?
Wait
Do you understand?
No
Do you understand?
English no
Nepalese law can't allow you to participate on this kind of protest.
No
No. Nepalese law can't allow you to participate on this kind of.
No English no English no 又跟上来了 English no
Should I ask you a question? What's your name?
English no
What's your name? When did you arrive in Nepal?
你别跟着我了
When did you arrive in Nepal? Nepalese law can't allow foreigner to participate in political movement. Do you understand?